So the first step is reaching out to us. You can book online or call or contact us via email. So what happens at this stage?
At this point, it's completely normal to have questions or even feel a bit nervous, but rest assured, our admin team is here to guide you through nice and slowly.
When you contact us, we'll ask you a few simple questions, like what brings you to therapy, what issues you are seeking help with, and if you have any preference for therapists, such as approach or location, and if you would prefer in-person or online sessions.
These questions help us understand your needs so we can make the best possible match for you.
Once we have a sense of what you're looking for, we'll make recommendations for suitable therapists. If you've contacted us online, we'll send you an email with all of the upcoming availability options. If you've talked to us on the phone, we'll follow up via email so that you can have a look at the therapist profiles and make a decision as to who you might want to work with.
And remember, therapy is a personal experience, so the right fit is really important. If after your first session you feel like it's not quite right, we offer a first session guarantee, meaning we will book you in with another therapist free of charge.
Exactly, this is a personal experience and it's all about finding the right connection. Once you're matched with a therapist, we'll get that booking put in and then we'll send you an email with a link for the prepayment. Once the fee is received, you'll get a full confirmation email with all the information, including the session format, whether it's online or in person, and the location.
This first session is really about getting to know you. What's brought you to therapy, what your goals are, and how we can support you. There's no pressure, and you don't need to have everything figured out before you start.
Before your first session, the confirmation email will have some details about what to expect, including a link to the online assessment form. This intake form allows you to share some details with your therapist about what you're seeking out of therapy.
And if you have any last-minute concerns, don't hesitate to reach out. It's normal to feel a mix of emotions before you start your first session.
Life happens and sometimes you might need to reschedule. For the initial session, we need 48 hours notice to cancel without charge. After that, your therapist's terms and conditions would apply. The terms are sent to you with the initial payment link and again with your full confirmation email.
Having a cancellation policy in place helps ensure therapists can maintain their schedules and continue providing the best care for all our clients.
So that's the process. We hope this makes it feel a little less daunting.
And if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help.
We look forward to welcoming you to Harley Therapy.